Hello everybody, today we're going to use one of my favorite strategies, and that's drawing a picture. It really helps me understand a word problem. So we're going to draw a picture and then write an equation. Let's look at this first problem. The string on Josie's kite is 12.5 feet long. She wants to use the string to tie up plants in a garden. How long is each garden string if the kite string is cut into 5 pieces? So if we're going to draw a picture, it's going to look something like this. We're going to have our 12.5, and we're going to be cutting it into 5 pieces. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's 5 pieces right there, and we need to know how long one of those pieces is going to be. So to find that out, we're going to divide 12.5 by 5. So let's do that. First thing, we're going to change this mixed number into an improper fraction. So 2 times 12 is 24, plus 1 more is 25. So we have 25 halves. We're divided by 5. Now to divide this, we're going to say 25 halves, and we're going to multiply the reciprocal of 5, or 5 ones, and we're going to multiply it by 1/5. So we're going to get 25 tenths. And 25 tenths, I'm going to move this up here. We have to divide 25 by 10 to change it into a mixed number. 10 goes into 25 2 times. 2 times 10 is 20. We subtract. 5 minus 0 is 5. 2 minus 2 is 0. And we have 2 and 5 tenths, which equals 2 and 1/2. So our answer for this problem is that each string, or each piece of string, would be 2.5 feet long. Okay, now it's your turn to try. You need to draw a picture and write an equation and solve it. Good luck.